I know a lot of you are sitting at home right now, quarantined up, just wishing that you had some more culinary skills and recipes so that you could make some delicious food. So I'm here tonight with the new recipe for salami roll-ups. Now what you want to do is go to the store and buy yourself some hard salami at the deli. Not that soft salami bullshit, hard salami. You need some cream cheese. I recommend Philadelphia brand as top quality. Now here's how you're gonna do it. Grab yourself a healthy portion of cream cheese on your knife. Go ahead and put that cream cheese on your piece of salami. Now this is the hard part right here. You don't want to mess this up. What you want to do, just go ahead and roll that salami up. Once you have it rolled up real tight, like a joint, if you've ever done one of those. You probably haven't though. And then once you have it rolled up, go ahead and try it out, and if you like it, make some more. If you don't like it, then just throw that shit away.